This winter we focused on testing all the Kuore lures and making a separate video for each one. You can probably find them all on the channel by now, but every now and then I get the question: how do you make these videos sound so smooth? How do you remember all the text? Well, the truth is, we don't.
What do you think, Jeffrey? Ja, niet zonder te lachen, zo stop maar lachen! Stop maar lachen!
Is not busy.
Ja. Straight face.
The Reaper features the Kuore tail is thin and flexible. No, dat is ook weer goed. Right away you noticed the ribbed belly. The very Let me shine you and polish your knob, sir. Kijk maar gebruiken soms.
Doe maar een nice funny shot.
Rolling it around, and the curly tail combined.
And cut.
Let's take a closer look.
Luckily our friend Arend did much better.
This bouncer perfectly fits. This bouncer, ik weet nog even nog niet.
Adapts.
The bouncer. It's natural crayfish. It's a natural crayfish. And of course it comes infused with this nice anise scent. And of course it comes infused with a nice anise. And of course it comes with a very nice anise scent to create an extra attraction.
Blah 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 blah
Blah blah blah blah blah blah. Really good bait. A really Kijk hier naar je. Nog. Even the review. It's a classic drop shot.
Drop shit?
Fucking hell. Soft, this really. It's how soft this root. Ik heb een probleem met loer vandaag. It's like an easily. Okay, nu het er weer. The whole idea is its simplicity and its fastness. Fucking hell, jongen.
I must admit, I didn't do much better.
Oh, fuck up die lazen.
First technique I'm gonna show you is jigging it. Is jigging. Zoiets als kletshou. Fuck. Let me show you Let me show you some fishing techniques with it. Het is wel raar dat ik dat doe zeer. But the tail kicks water on every. Godverdomme! Dus. Ja jong, echt een vraagje van waarom zeg ik dingen?
Lul je heu vast, jong.
On every. Gewoon hoe begon nogthans? It's very easy. And it has really a reliable. And it has really wacht, het kan opnieuw zijn.
Soft plastic material.
Vrij goed, behalve het laatste.
Ja.
On a jig head, net style. This makes the torpedo. Ja. And fish a lot. Nee, waarom zeg ik dat weer? It is about subtle movement without doing anything. Niet slecht, hè?
Nee, waarom moet je dat doen? The torpedo is made from
even when the
voel het al zo.
Luckily, talking is hard, but fishing isn't. And we were treated by some very nice fish. And now we are preparing for the next big competition season.
And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.